What if the people who know cars better than anyone else are quietly holding onto a handful of American classics and refusing to let them go? Mechanics spend their lives fixing broken vehicles, so when they choose to keep certain cars forever, there's usually a very good reason. These machines have earned legendary reputations for reliability, durability, and value. Today we're counting down 6 American classics mechanics won't sell at any price. And trust me, the number 1 car on this list surprises almost everyone. Number 6. 2006 Buick Lucerne. The 2006 Buick Lucerne may not be the first vehicle that comes to mind when people think about American classics, but among experienced mechanics, it has quietly earned a reputation as one of the smartest long-term ownership choices ever built. In fact, many mechanics who have spent decades repairing vehicles often say that if they needed one dependable daily driver to keep forever, the Lucerne would be near the top of the list. The biggest reason is sitting under the hood. Certain Lucerne models came equipped with General Motors' legendary 3800 Series 3 V6 engine. This engine became famous throughout North America for one simple reason: it just refused to die. Owners regularly reported mileage figures exceeding 250,000 and even 300,000 miles, while requiring little more than routine maintenance. Mechanics saw these engines survive years of neglect that would destroy many modern power plants. The Lucerne also arrived at the perfect time. It was built before excessive electronics and complicated technology became common in everyday sedans. As a result, repairs remained relatively straightforward and affordable. When something eventually needed attention, mechanics could usually diagnose and fix the issue without spending countless hours chasing electronic faults. Comfort is another reason these cars are so difficult to pry away from their owners. The Lucerne was designed to provide a smooth, quiet ride that rivaled vehicles costing much more. Long highway journeys felt effortless, and passengers appreciated the spacious cabin and comfortable seating. Many examples have spent years serving older owners who carefully maintained them. Because of that, clean, low-mileage cars still exist, but they're becoming increasingly difficult to find. Mechanics know exactly what these cars are worth, which is why many refuse to sell them. And while the Lucerne is known for reliability, the next vehicle combines durability with something even more impressive: an engine so respected that enthusiasts still search nationwide to find a clean example today. Number 5. 1996 Buick Roadmaster Estate Wagon. The 1996 Buick Roadmaster Estate Wagon represents an era when American manufacturers built vehicles without worrying about downsizing, fuel economy targets, or complicated electronics. Everything about this wagon was large, comfortable, and designed to last. That's precisely why so many mechanics refuse to let theirs go. At the heart of the Roadmaster Estate Wagon sits one of General Motors' most respected engines, the LT1 V8. Originally related to the power plant found in the Chevrolet Corvette, this engine delivered an impressive blend of performance and durability. Mechanics quickly learned that with basic maintenance, the LT1 could accumulate hundreds of thousands of miles without major mechanical drama. But the engine is only part of the story. The wagon's body-on-frame construction made it exceptionally tough. Unlike many modern family vehicles, it was built using truck-like engineering that could withstand years of hard use. Whether towing a trailer, hauling cargo, or transporting an entire family, the Roadmaster handled the job with ease. The interior also played a major role in its popularity. There was enough room for passengers, luggage, groceries, and virtually anything else owners wanted to carry. Some versions even featured rear-facing third-row seats, creating memories that many families still talk about today. Mechanics particularly appreciate the simplicity of the vehicle. Parts remain available, repairs are generally straightforward, and the design avoids many of the expensive electronic failures common in newer vehicles. That's a combination every mechanic loves. As values continue rising, finding a clean Roadmaster Estate Wagon becomes more difficult every year. Owners who understand what they have are increasingly reluctant to sell. They know they're holding one of the last truly great American station wagons. But if you think this wagon is hard to replace, wait until you see the sedan coming later on this list. First, we need to talk about a full-size American icon that earned the trust of police departments, taxi companies, and families across the country. Number 4. 1994 Chevrolet Caprice Classic. The 1994 Chevrolet Caprice Classic is one of those vehicles that seems almost impossible to wear out. Built during a time when General Motors prioritized durability and comfort, the Caprice quickly became one of America's most trusted full-size sedans. Decades later, mechanics still seek them out whenever a well-preserved example appears for sale. One reason for the car's legendary reputation is its robust engineering. Many Caprice models were powered by dependable V8 engines that delivered years of reliable service. Mechanics routinely encountered examples with astonishing mileage figures that continued running smoothly despite decades of use. The Caprice also earned respect through real-world testing. Police departments across America relied on these vehicles because they could handle demanding duty cycles. Long idle times, high-speed pursuits, and constant daily use would expose weaknesses in any vehicle. The Caprice passed those tests repeatedly. Another major advantage was comfort. The large cabin offered generous seating space, while the suspension delivered an exceptionally smooth ride. Drivers could spend hours behind the wheel without fatigue. For families, it became an ideal road trip vehicle. For fleet operators, it became a dependable workhorse. Maintenance remains one of the car's strongest selling points. Compared to many modern vehicles, repairs are simpler, parts are easier to source, and diagnostic procedures are far less complicated. Mechanics appreciate vehicles that can be repaired efficiently, and the Caprice fits that description perfectly. Today, surviving examples are becoming increasingly scarce. Many were driven extensively before being retired, making clean original cars difficult to locate. That's one reason owners often reject surprisingly high offers from buyers. And now we're entering the top 3. Coming up next is a vehicle many enthusiasts consider the ultimate sleeper sedan. A car so reliable and durable that some mechanics actively search for years before finding the right one. Number 3. 1996 Buick Roadmaster Sedan. The 1996 Buick Roadmaster Sedan is one of those rare cars that seems to get more respect the longer it survives. While it never attracted the attention of sports cars or luxury imports, mechanics have always known the truth. Hidden beneath its conservative styling is one of the most durable American sedans ever built. The biggest reason for its legendary reputation is the LT1 V8 engine. Borrowed from the same engine family that powered the Chevrolet Corvette, the LT1 gave the Roadmaster an unusual combination of strength, reliability, and smooth performance. It wasn't uncommon for owners to drive these cars well beyond 250,000 miles while performing only routine maintenance. Mechanics loved the Roadmaster because it was built during the final years of body-on-frame American sedans. This construction method provided exceptional durability and made repairs easier than many modern vehicles. It also gave the car a solid, substantial feel that drivers still appreciate today. The Roadmaster sedan excelled on long highway journeys. Its spacious interior, soft suspension, and quiet cabin created an experience that felt closer to a luxury cruiser than an ordinary family sedan. Many owners specifically purchased them for cross-country travel because they could spend hours behind the wheel without fatigue. Another major advantage is simplicity. Unlike newer luxury sedans loaded with complicated technology, the Roadmaster remained relatively straightforward. Mechanics could diagnose issues quickly, source parts easily, and complete repairs without requiring expensive specialist equipment. As the years passed, many Roadmasters disappeared from the roads. Some were worn out through heavy use, while others were scrapped when values were low. Today, surviving examples are becoming increasingly desirable among collectors and mechanics alike. Owners understand that replacing a clean Roadmaster is becoming more difficult every year. That's why many refuse generous offers from eager buyers. They know they possess one of the last great American sedans, built before complexity took over the industry. But as respected as the Roadmaster is, it still falls short of our next vehicle. A truck so dependable that many mechanics consider it one of the greatest pickups ever built. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado. When conversations turn to legendary American trucks, the 1989 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado almost always enters the discussion. This truck wasn't designed to impress people with luxury features or cutting-edge technology. Instead, it was built to work hard, survive abuse, and keep running year after year. Mechanics admire the C1500 because it represents a simpler era of truck design. Under the hood, buyers could choose from several dependable engines, including Chevrolet's famous small-block V8. These engines earned a reputation for extraordinary durability and could often run for hundreds of thousands of miles when properly maintained. The truck's simplicity is one of its greatest strengths. Repairs are straightforward, replacement parts remain widely available, and many maintenance tasks can be performed without specialized equipment. For mechanics, that's a huge advantage compared to modern trucks packed with sensors, modules, and expensive electronics. Durability is another reason owners refuse to sell them. These trucks worked on farms, construction sites, ranches, and small businesses throughout America. They hauled trailers, transported equipment, and endured conditions that would quickly expose weaknesses in lesser vehicles. Yet many continue operating decades later. The styling has also aged remarkably well. The square body lines, strong stance, and purposeful appearance have become increasingly popular among collectors. What was once simply a work truck is now viewed as a classic piece of American automotive history. As values continue climbing, mechanics are becoming even more protective of the examples they own. They know that finding a rust-free, well-maintained Silverado from this era is no longer easy. Many owners receive offers regularly and decline them without hesitation. Yet even this legendary truck cannot claim the top spot. The number one vehicle on our list has achieved near mythical status among mechanics because it combines practicality, reliability, comfort, and durability better than almost anything else America ever produced. Number 1. 1991 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Wagon. Taking the number 1 position is the 1991 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Wagon, a vehicle that perfectly represents everything mechanics value in a long-term ownership car. It may not be flashy, it may not be fast, but when it comes to dependability, practicality, and longevity, few American vehicles can match it. The Caprice Wagon was built during a period when General Motors focused heavily on durability. Its body-on-frame construction provided exceptional strength, while its proven V8 engines delivered years of reliable service. Mechanics repeatedly witnessed these wagons accumulate enormous mileage without suffering major mechanical failures. One reason owners become so attached to them is versatility. The wagon could comfortably transport large families, carry substantial cargo, tow trailers, and serve as a dependable daily driver. It handled all these responsibilities without complaint, making it one of the most useful vehicles of its era. The spacious interior remains one of its defining features. Passengers enjoyed generous room, comfortable seating, and a smooth ride that made long-distance travel surprisingly enjoyable. Many owners created decades of family memories inside these wagons, adding sentimental value to their practical strengths. Mechanics especially appreciate how easy the vehicle is to maintain. Components are accessible, repairs are straightforward, and many parts remain available. Compared to modern vehicles that often require expensive diagnostic procedures, the Caprice wagon remains refreshingly simple. As surviving examples become rarer, demand continues increasing among collectors and enthusiasts. Mechanics understand exactly why. Vehicles like this simply aren't being built anymore. Modern manufacturers prioritize efficiency and technology, but few can replicate the combination of toughness, reliability, and practicality found in the Caprice wagon. That's why owners continue turning down offers. They know they're holding a disappearing piece of American automotive history, a vehicle that has already proven itself for more than 3 decades and may continue doing so for decades more. For many mechanics, no amount of money can replace that kind of confidence. And that's exactly why the 1991 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Wagon earns the #1 spot on this list. Which of these American classics would you keep forever? Share your choice in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, subscribe for more legendary cars, hidden automotive gems, and fascinating stories from America's greatest automotive era.